In this video, we're going to cover bonuses that you get 100% for free if you decide to purchase Typeset through the link down in the description. I'm going to do a whole separate video that goes over a review of Typeset. I've personally been using this. We'll do a review of the actual sales page. We'll go in and look at how I'm using Typeset, along with tons of other uses. This is something that I actually have the lifetime version of, so I'll be able to use it forever. I'm a big fan of Typeset. So I just figure I want to come in, offer you guys a set of bonuses if you decide to use my affiliate link down below. It's the exact same price for you. I get a commission, and you get all these bonuses 100% for free. So let me, in this video, go over what those bonuses are going to be. And again, if you want to see my full review of Typeset, that video is probably going to come out after this one, and I will add it in a link down in the description below as well. So bonus number one is going to be the 100K a year with Typeset strategy. So this is actually a strategy that we were already doing, but we were having to build these out manually. So we're using specifically slide decks. We're using some PDFs for this. We are using PDFs more for lead magnets and things like that. But this is specifically us using slide decks and getting free traffic with those slide decks. And we're doing it to a very high ticket affiliate program. So even a handful of sales allows us to make a lot of money. In fact, my team, it's really only one person on my team doing this entire thing, and she will do 100K by herself using this strategy. So I'm going to give you a Loom video going over the whole strategy of what we're doing, how you can copy it using Typeset. Again, we were doing it before Typeset, but it took 6 or 7 times longer to do it. It was a very long process. Typeset lets us knock it out in like 5 to 10 minutes, which is just a massive difference. So that'll be bonus number one, is that Loom video going over exactly how we're using it for this strategy. Now, I want to make sure you understand I don't actually see when you complete that purchase. So when you use the link in the description, what you're going to do is email me at info@jakethornhill.com. That way I can then go in and check to make sure your account got linked under mine, and then I can send you over the bonuses, and you'll get all these bonuses once you do that. So make sure to email me at info@jakethornhill.com. I also build out bonuses for tons of different stuff. If there's ever something you're about to buy and you want the absolute best bonuses for that purchase, let me know, and I will either show you the bonuses we already have for it or build you out a unique bonus stack for what you're looking to purchase. All you have to do is email me at info@jakethornhill.com. Bonus number two is a full course. I don't remember exactly how many lessons are in this, but this is part of what we're using the actual strategy behind. So in this one, we are using Typeset to do the strategy. This is a full course going over the strategy of how we are using these slide decks to actually generate tons and tons of traffic. It's one of those loopholes that like no one else really uses because people are so focused on the main social media accounts that stuff like this just gets forgotten. And there are really cool ways to drive traffic, and Typeset lets you make this content very, very quickly. So once you get Typeset, we're going to show you how you can make money, both with the strategy session and with the full course of how you can use slide decks to make money. Number three, this is one of my favorites. This is 223 viral posts. I've been using this for 4 or 5 years. It allows you to literally never, ever run out of content again for your social media accounts. So I should have pulled it up. I just forgot to. But basically, we have these PDFs that have tons and tons of different templates of really unique kinds of posts that you can do for your brand. Now, what we're now able to do because of AI is we actually add these into ChatGPT and then ask for 5 to 10 posts with a specific style. Again, 223 different styles of posts. And then ChatGPT knows our business, so then it can use the formats that we've given it with the viral posts, and it just cranks out content for us endlessly, and we literally never run out of content anymore. So this will make sure that you always have content you can post every single day. You can do that yourself or hand it over to a team member or a virtual assistant. Prompt number 4 is 25 AI prompt packs. These are what I use to create high quality PDFs. So if you're going to be using Typeset for lead magnets, for PDFs, anything like that, you want to make sure they're really, really high quality. One of the worst things you can ever do is either give something to someone for free or sell them something cheap that isn't a high quality product, because then they associate that crap with your brand, right? So you want it to be really good and really high quality. These AI prompts are going to make sure you are creating the absolute best lead magnets, PDFs, and ebooks you possibly can. Lead magnet number 5 is my lead magnet guide. This is something we actually acquired years ago I don't remember how much we paid for it. We paid a pretty penny to be able to give this away, but it goes deep into the psychology of lead magnets. And man, I don't remember the exact number, so I don't want to misquote it. I feel like it's over 80 different types of lead magnets. I might be wrong on the number because I haven't looked at it in a bit now. But there are tons of different types of lead magnets. So then you can look through there and see what best fits your brand. Lastly is bonus number 6, 100 digital mockup packs. So these are templates inside of Canva. All you have to do is drag your ebook cover, your PDF cover straight in, and you're going to have a really good looking mockup for your brand, for your product that you're making inside of Typeset. This is going to save you so much time so you don't have to go out and create these from scratch. So these bonuses, 100% for free. You don't pay a penny for any of these. We give them to you completely for free when you decide to purchase Typeset using the link down in the description. Just email me at info@jakethornhill.com and I will make sure to get that over to you. Make sure to check the link in the description too. If you'd like to work with me, I coach people to making 10K a month online. I'd love to help you do that. If you qualify, we can hop on a call and see if you qualify to work together. And number 2, that review video will be posted as a link down in the description as soon as it's ready. So make sure to check that out as well. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you very soon on the next video.